Psalm 82 verse 6, what does it say? And who is it that says, I said? Do you respect God? If God says, I said, you are an animal. Well, God said so. But God is not a God of animals. God is God of gods. Then He says, I said, you are what? What about all of you? But the system says, no, we are children of God. Do you see that Son and God are synonymous? Do you see it there? Look, I said, you are gods and all of you are children of what? But why are they children? Because they partook of flesh and blood. God is dealing here with the Spirit, which is a God but as clothed in flesh. He is called a Son. Therefore, when God put on flesh, He was called the Son of God. But that doesn't mean He was a son. It is that by partaking of flesh, everyone who is clothed with flesh is called a son. But it was not that God had a son. It is that since He was clothed in flesh, He was called son. Just as you are a God and you were clothed in flesh and you are called son. Hello. And notice He is talking about flesh. The other verse says, nevertheless you will die like men and fall like one of the princes. God standeth. Does not say God was or will be. How many believe that God is here? That is an eternal present. God standeth in the congregation of the gods. What is this? A meeting. In the congregation of the gods, what does He do? How does He judge on this night? Through me. How does He judge? Through me. What I do is, judging means divide, expose. To judge, what does a judge do when he is on trial? First he listens, divides the evidence, and then comes to a conclusion. So God standeth in the congregation of the gods and is judging. How? Through me, blessed. God is judging you. No, but God is in heaven. There you will not hear Him. And there's no little card and there's no phone. There is no way for Him to talk to you unless it is through a human instrument. Arise. He had not risen. Arise, O God, judge. The earth through the internet, through many television programs, through many radio programs, through pamphlets, through cassettes, through literature, through you. Judge the earth, for you shall inherit. Grace and apostolate for what? For obedience to the faith in all nations.